All right. Good morning, everybody. So we've settled on a shape, a template for our propeller blade, and we're going to make two cuts. Well, one cut actually. We're going to cut the blank in half here, right at this mark. That's the halfway point, and trace this template shape onto our blanks, centered on the line that I've drawn through. So we'll cut those out. Just the only shaping that'll be done with the X-Acto is just a little bit at the ends here to do this taper. We'll cut to the taper here, and we'll just shave a little bit off on each side here for that taper. This cut will be done with a razor saw and miter box. We want to make sure we get a 90-degree cut there, because that's our adhesion. This surface here will be our adhesion point to our hub. So we want nice flat cuts in both locations, and then no sandpaper will be touching that. It's just going to be a clean 90-degree angle saw cut using the miter box and the razor saw. This bad boy. I use razor saws all the time, and the miter box gets a ton of use. I used it on the aluminum sleeves for the motor, and in a couple of other locations on the wing struts and so forth, the wing spars and leading edge and all that stuff. Any place where you need a nice straight clean cut, you want a miter box and razor saw. You don't want to be crushing or trying to slice, make a square slice with an X-Acto on thick, heavy material, thick stuff like this. That's always going to be sawn to get a clean cut. Okay, so we'll be tracing this on here. Just minimal carving to shape with the X-Acto, and all the rest of the blade shaping is done with sandpaper, sanding block, and wood dowel, as I described in an earlier video. So we're going to actually be performing that operation today. So I'll mount the camera up top in the clamp, and start working on this in just a minute. There.